Hey guys, it's your boy Ender back from another video, and today we're going to be battling my custom free printed Beyblade Agèma Ares Amber Akropolis versus Savior Valkyrie 7-shot. Oh, yeah, so my Savior isn't awakened yet. Sorry about not being a video in a while. Yeah, I'm just gonna be honest, I'm lazy. But yeah, I actually had y'all vote on what battle you wanted to see, and 87% of you, because I now have community posts, so make sure to look out for those for polls for what videos you want. But 87% of you said you want to see Savior versus Agèma, so here we go. We'll be doing first beta 15 points is the winner. Burst finish counts 2 points. Survivor and ring out are both 1 point. So let's get started. Ares is in right spin to begin with, and Savior is going to be in low mode for probably the whole video. And I'm just going. I'm gonna count that as a self KO, so I'm just not gonna count. There we go. Okay, 2 points to Ares. This is probably gonna be a meme battle, to be honest, which is apparently what people wanted. So yeah, here we are, I guess. I'm gonna move this right here so the stand doesn't move. There we go. Okay, well, this isn't... Man, Savior actually might get this. Yeah, the high ground. Oh no. Come on, Ares. Hold out. Okay, it's 2-1. Three, two, one, go. Bro, why does my shot keep activating like instantly? That's just annoying. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, is this really gonna be like this the whole time? Like, why does it keep activating instantly? It's not supposed to do that, right? Am I just that strong? Savior, stop being AIDS. Oh my god. There we go. It's behaving. That's Ares. Savior wasn't spinning. Okay. 3-1. It's been a while since I battled with Agèma. Especially, I haven't used it on a power core launcher, so this is gonna be interesting. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gonna count that as a draw. Okay. Yeah, I just don't think Savior stands a chance against Ares. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I'll count that as a snipe. Oh my god. Yeah, I need a TT Stadium. I've been saying this forever, but they're just expensive. They're always part of like some big sets that are even more. Oh god, the height's actually working. Oh, never mind. 5-1. If I get to like 7, when I hit 7 points on Ares, I'll just switch to the left spin. It'll probably be more of a slaughter, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. Okay. 5-3, Savior with a burst. That's not normal. Oh. I'm right, it isn't normal. The driver popped. Okay. That explains a lot. Okay, I'm gonna pause. It is currently 5-3. Okay, and I'm back, but for you, nothing ever happened. Well, yeah, the reason Ares bursted in right spin, it has more of a hook effect, so its burst resistance is lower, but it gives more attack power, so, yeah. Also, the driver screw loosened and popped out, so it made where Ares bursted, so, yeah. Okay, so it's 5-3. I swear, calm down. Maybe that's why Ares is acting so fast. It's looser and off center, off balance. Oh, okay, 5-4. This is okay. Getting kind of interesting. I wasn't expecting this, like, at all. Miss launch and self KO. So. Oh my god, that scared the living crap out of me. I'm not gonna lie. Like, when I saw that fly up, I thought I was gonna die. Okay, well, 7-4 now. So I guess I have to change Ares' spin direction. Okay. Pop out the Unilock, put in the left spin one. Bing, ba boom. Then I have to switch the power launcher to left spin. As you can see, Ares is way tighter now. It doesn't click like easily, like, at all. So yeah, that'll probably be like the last burst Savior ever gets. Oh my god. Changing spin directions is such a pain nowadays on launchers. Like, I have to, like, get this thing off my thing. There we go. Let's see, put it into left spin. Bam. Okay. We're good to go. I'm gonna switch in a right sparking launcher for Savior now. Okay. So it was 7-4 for 200. That was a miss launch, but I'll just relaunch Savior since Agèma's god. Oh my god. Did you see that? It like shot up to here. Agèma hasn't even slowed down spinning yet. You know, left spin's a lot better for Ares. It can absorb, it can, like, has more upper attack potential too, so yeah. It's also more stable, which is kind of interesting. Because, like, the way the air flows off of it. It's actually kind of small compared to Savior. Come on, Ares. You got this. Yep. That LAD. So, that's it. 8-4. Double the points. Yeah, Savior has no chance anymore. 3-2 Okay, 9-4. If you could, I'm not sure if you could hear that, like, in the actual recording, but whenever Savior hit Ares, it didn't make a noise. It made like a light. So yeah, that's like all the rubber just absorbing everything. It's so tanky that it doesn't feel it at all. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Ooh, okay, it's actually doing something. Come on, Aries. Yep, okay. 10-4. You know what? I'll be nice. I'll put Savior in high mode. I don't know if that's being nice. That actually might be being mean, but we'll figure it out. Because oh my god, I cannot speak. What was I trying to say? Yeah, but Savior, I noticed that it's kind of more spring-loaded in high mode, but I don't know how good that's going to be because, like, Agèma is short, so it's just going to be, like, gap. But we'll figure it. We'll go. We'll see how these last few battles go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, ultimate high mode failed. Let's try that again. There was no contact. We'll try that again. Oh my god, is it doing something? No, I don't think so. Okay, that was Aries, so that is 11-4. Okay. Oh my god, Aries, like, I can hear the, like, air coming off of it. Okay, that's 12-4. I might have made a poor lapse in judgment putting it into high mode. But, you know, we'll figure it out. Okay, that's 13-4, I think. Yeah, I think it's 13-4. You can correct me if I'm wrong and call me an idiot if you want. What do you guys think about the poll system, though? I think it's interesting that you guys could pick what videos you wanted. So I'm going to continue doing that. So, yeah, there'll probably be one posted after this video, so you can... I won't read that. So you can tell me what you guys want to watch. So, yeah, options will probably be Agèma Aries vs. Infinite Achilles and probably something else. Let's see if Aries can win, because I launched, like, this is like the third time I've launched Savior, so if I get hit enough, I can outlast it. Come on, Aries. You can do it. Come on. Chop, chop, win. Just win. Good God, it's taking forever. There we go. Okay, 14-15. I'm just gonna put Savior back in the low mode because I feel bad. I don't know. I can't do it. It feels like I'm just taking candy from a baby. Also, guys, let me know what you think about Agèma, since, like, I've been using it for months now, but you guys only seen it in, like, 3 videos now? 3? Something like that. Crazy numbers or whatever. Crazy low numbers, I should say. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Whoa, that felt smooth. Go, Savior! Oh my god. Oh, okay. That's still 14-4 because it was a draw, so. No, maybe there's still hope for Savior. Whoa, that felt weird. I don't know. I'm going with it. And in a very Savior Valkyrie fashion, it self-KO'd itself. Well, I technically won, so suck it, Valkyrie. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comments. I haven't done this in a while. Good God. Yeah, leave a like on the video if you enjoy it. Sub if you're new. Hit the bell to be notified every time I upload. There'll be a link to my public Discord if you want to join that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.